Good morning and welcome to Ethics Day 2026.
As you all know, this year's theme is competition. Kent Denver is an environment with many high-achieving students, athletes, and performers. Naturally, this creates a competitive environment. While competition is often healthy and can push us to be better and improve, it is important to understand all sides and aspects of competition, not just in the academic world.
Through today's seminars, field trips, and conversations, we hope you will all come away with a deeper understanding of how to compete with integrity and respect, and how to balance ambition with empathy.
This is a day for our community to step away from our normal classroom routine to engage with the complex questions of our time. It is also the day we uphold a cherished tradition, the presentation of the Distinguished Alumni Award. Please join me in welcoming home and congratulating our 2026 Distinguished Alumni Award winner, Dr. Ellery Jones.
How do we compete successfully? The first and most important thing is to define your why, your guiding principles in everything that you do. So we can't talk about competition without talking about failure. It's nothing to be ashamed of, it's not a consolation prize, it's not even the opposite of success. But failure is a necessary part of the competitive process. And so when we're anchored in our why, of why we're competing, it gives us the ability to embrace the inevitability of failure with grace. It allows us to approach without fear, it allows us to be resilient, it allows us to learn from any outcome, to exercise patience, and to explore new possibilities.